unboxing kang newly delivered na
New Year.
New Year
pang
chair.
New Year na chair.
For Mamia.
Delivered by
Shoppee.
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 Shoppee. So it's a big box. In order na
Shop na sa Shoppee.
shop na sa
I almost got
Shoppee.
it.
Yay! A little more here po.
Oh, what's the first?
Malaking box ang in-order ni Daddy Abo.
This one is for the neck.
What is that?
We have to
Oh no, it's for
assemble it.
this one.
You have to assemble it.
You have to.
I thought it was the whole chair already.
I don't know. It's for
Magkano yan, Noy?
3329. May discount ata. Kung may, if this has have a, what do you call this, yung footrest, discounted siya. Only cost 3.
Yan ang backrest. Check.
So, good. The package is good. Well,
Wait,
Ito, ano
what
to?
for Shoppee?
I don't know.
Kasama ito?
Yes.
Plus 5.5.
I don't know where it is.
Nice bubble wrap.
For, but I think it is the footrest. For now.
So dito ka nang sana pala. Una ako nila pala.
Wait, I'm not sure. What's the trick?
Huwag mo na baby, one by one. Oh, yan ang backrest niya.
Ah,
Huh?
is that for a butt or a back?
Baliktad at a-
Butt or back?
Yes.
Sabi mo, next week the lid.
Sabi sila eh, we need of money. This is for the neck.
Can I keep this?
Don't throw in that. You can still use that.
Next.
Oh. Oh.
Also, that's for the back. Or is it the surfing board for the butt?
For the neck. Lid.
Looks like the one we have in the car.
Kasi sabi ko. Ibabalik
Hindi
lang.
na pa. Ibalik.
Let's have the manual because we are not an expert. Let's look at the manual. Ooh.
Manuel.
Ito ang sa back
Manuel.
leg. Ito ang sa neck support. Ito ang manual. Ano man yung manual na ito? Black and gold.
That is Manuel.
Gaming chair.
It's for gaming?
This is a gaming chair installation instruction.
Woo!
This is the one that your mom is supposed to buy for you.
Oh, more high.
Oh my goodness.
I just came here to get the juice.
What juice?
The stuff.
Oh.
I didn't know we were doing unboxing.
Okay. So we remove a lot of stuff. Now for the not so fun part. What do we need to cushion? One. Footrest. Ah, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, mura. Try one. Where's the slider? This. Oh, slider one pair. Where's the other?
This is how many?
Oh, this one. I haven't even opened this one. Yeah, this one. That's the floor.
Okay, get out of here.
Okay.
Wait. The wheels are missing.
Yeah, this is inside here. Good packaging. All are very secured.
0.2 for Shoppee, I guess?
Well, not for Shoppee, but I forgot what shop did I bought it from. I forgot the shop.
Lazada?
I bought it in Shoppee, but on a
Shoppee. Delivered by Shoppee.
Oh, delivered by Shoppee.
Oh,
Who packaged this?
oh, this one. This one. Okay.
Ooh.
That's good. Oh, I know this one.
Ooh.
Okay, that's right. Go with the
Sa armrest. Now it's done. Na-assemble na siya. It's assembled already. And you can have a nice queenly or kingly rest.
Yeah.
Queenly,
You can use it for a table. Can be a table. The footrest will be really useful to me. And if you're not going to use it sooner or later, you can use it for a table. So that I can sit on the floor and just eat my fruits in peace. Oh yeah, it's a chair that I have to sit on.
Di ba sobrang talagang Human na. This is, saying something as crew. That's that. Oh, what do you think mechanism? Can you see?
That's so comfy.
Oh. Oh. Ah. Almost there.
Why does it look so high though?
I really like
It's tall. I cannot use it for tables instead.
Hey, where are you? YouTube.
Looks really tall.
Ginsa. Ginsa siya. Ayan. What is?
Hindi mo sumangga? Parang bilagro.
Ayan. Put it there.
Suwa. Kasi doon bilagro, suwa? Parang hangga.
Ah, okay. Wait, ano? Where did it? Okay. Add. And this one. How do you? Did you move something from here? Did you move this?
No, I didn't move anything. All I did was wear it like a bag.
Oh, okay. Never mind. So like this. Crisscross. And then the other one. How should I put this? No? Is it?
Looks comfy. How much is it again?
3,229.
Is it cheaper?
Harga nih. Kita semua.
Ako mabilis-bilis. Bukan sih.
Mana?
Hindi, baka rin po. Ayan, parang sa kuryente. Parang ka-cornet, naka-alis na.
Baru.
Nakapunta din. Ay, sa neck. Neck, balik mo head. Nasa head. Tapos doon nakataas ka pa. Head. Amo na. O, komportable na si Don Siote. Oh, yeah. Now, like, the very comfortable chair. The most comfortable chair arrived today and got assembled by Don Juan Richard Vancela Lorilla. Yay! Very good. May table ka. So, you turned it into a table.
No.
You wanna try?
Huh?
You wanna try?
Okay.
Try it.
Oh, it feels good. Perfect for if you're like tense in a game, you can just and then
You can adjust it.
if you're tense in like I'll leave it just.
This one.
What?
I'll leave it
What do you do?
Oh, so it goes like that.
Yes, yeah, okay, okay. Also, sit like a queen. Ladies and gentlemen, we are present to you Queen Rain Emerald.
Yeah.
Yeah. Queen na rain pa.
Whee!
Whee! So everything's done, and thank you Shoppee for delivering the computer chair. Ano ba yan? It's a gamer's chair.
Yeah, gamer's chair.
It's a gamer's chair. This is a comfortable chair. That's enough. And that ends our day.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Ayan na.